Welcome to the Oracle Database 12c Backup and Recovery using RMAN course, where you will learn how to perform backup and recovery activities on Oracle 12c databases using RMAN. My name is Ahmed Baraka, and I will be leading you through the course. I began my career as an Oracle developer, but soon transitioned to Oracle Database Administration. I have 20 years of extensive experience in the computer industry, with focus on Oracle Database Administration technologies like Oracle RAC, ASM, DataGuard, Golden Gate, WebLogic, Enterprise Manager, and Oracle multitenant architecture. This course has been designed for any Oracle DBA who's seeking how to perform and manage backup and recovery activities on Oracle 12c databases using RMAN. By the end of this course, you will be able to develop and implement a full backup and recovery plan for Oracle databases. The course does not only cover the on-site single-instance database backup, it also covers using RMAN in Oracle RAC and multi-tenant databases. And also, it does cover using Oracle Database Backup Cloud Service. This course is an extensive course. You will learn a wide range of skills that most DBAs need to protect their databases. Specifically, you will be able to use RMAN to perform all Oracle database backup strategies and types, such as whole and partial, full and incremental, complete and incomplete, and online and offline backups. Implement advanced backup options such as compression, encryption, multisection, duplexing backups, and archival backups. Perform all common recovery scenarios, including recovery from loss of database critical files, loss of application data, and loss of database non-critical files. You will also learn how to perform cross-platform data transportation, duplicate database using RMAN, use Oracle Database Backup Cloud Service, and use RMAN in Oracle RAC and multi-tenant databases. Not only the course will cover the details of those topics, you will also practice them. And all the practices are supported by videos that will guide you on how to perform them. This course is designed for an existing Oracle Database Administrator who wants to master using RMAN in Oracle databases. There is no requirement necessary to enroll. You're only asked to be familiar with an Oracle Database Administration and Linux operating system. If you know nothing about Oracle Database or Linux operating system, then this course is not for you. Feel free to look into the course description, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.